Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another fun video of creative photography. In this one in particular, we are going to be using this guy. This is a Prism. You can pick this up at a craft store, and what this will allow you to do is get some really cool images like this. So I'm going to show you kind of my process from start to finish on how I captured some of these images and how you can actually take it a step further than just using this to also get some really cool reflections. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I decided to use a light modifier just to add some fill light on the model's face. This is not something that's necessary. I actually just had this light pretty much ready to go, so I decided to use it. I do have a grid on it just to ensure that the light doesn't really spill everywhere else and it's just pretty centralized. Now, just to take everything up a notch, I decided to plug in my laptop to the TV and run some visuals like this, just so we can get some really creative, cool looking effects, as you can see here, that I'm just kind of giving you an idea before we put the model in play. And this is pretty much what it looks like all set up. As you can see, I am moving around quite a bit, simply because if you notice in the reflection on the TV, you can see the grid in the softbox. So I actually had to work around that. So I was aiming at a particular angle to make sure that basically her head and body covered that reflection. But overall, I think this came out really, really good. And here are the results from the shoot. Well guys, that is going to wrap up this video. As you can see, it really doesn't take much to get really creative and have fun and shoot some really unique images. I hope you guys found it entertaining. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really does help the channel continue to grow. And with that said, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.